Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasir Hassan and you are welcome to Nasir IT. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can we design this flower easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So guys, first of all we have to set our page. To do it you have to click on the file, then you have to select new, then click on this box, then select inches, then click on this box, then type here 7 inches, then click on this box and type here 4 inches. Then you have to select advanced option, then you have to select 300 ppi or the height preset, then you have to click on create. So after creating the page, you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the rectangle tool, then press and hold the shift key, then draw a shape in here. Then click on stroke, then disable the stroke, then click on fill, then you have to select any color. So then you have to click on the gradient panel. If you don't find it, so you have to click on windows, then you have to select gradient. So you have to disable the stroke again, then you have to select the fill from the gradient panel. You have to click on here, then you have to click on here again, then you have to select this and double click on here, then you have to select any color for your flower. For example, I am selecting the pink color. So after selecting the color, you have to select the move tool, then you have to press and hold the shift key, then rotate this into 45 degree. Then you have to select the direct selection tool, then you have to select this anchor point of the shape, then you have to rotate this into max. Then you have to select this anchor point, then you have to do this again. So after that you have to select the rotate tool, then you have to press and hold alt key, then double click on here, then you have to click on this box, then type here 15, then you have to click on preview, then you have to click on copy. So then you have to select the move tool, then you have to select the shapes again, then you have to click on here, then you have to select -60. After that you have to press Ctrl+D button from keyboard to take some duplicate layers from these layers. So after taking some duplicate layers, you have to select the move tool, then you have to select these layers again, then drag this in here, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then you have to select this again, then you have to click on edit, then you have to select copy, then click on edit again, then you have to select paste in font, then press and hold the shift key and alt key, then decrease the size of this. Then you have to select the shapes again, then click on edit, then click on copy, then click on edit again, then you have to select paste in font, then you have to press and hold the shift key and alt key again, then decrease the size of this again, then you have to rotate this. Then you have to select the shapes again, then click on edit again, then you have to select copy, then click on edit again, then you have to select paste in font. Then you have to press and hold the shift key and alt key, then decrease the size of this. Then you have to rotate this. So now here you can see our design has been completed. So in this way we can design this flower easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.